Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Bhupendra. I hope you everyone doing great, everyone doing practice and your practice is going on well. So my dear friends, today we are doing practice so that we will be fluent as soon as possible. And how you should do practice so that you will be fluent English language, fluent, and you will able to speak in front of anybody. You should deal with your problems and you will overcome of your problems so that it is it is so that you will remove difficulty. You will find your mistake. You will find your weakness, and you will do hard work of your weakness, and you will be correct. You will get rid of your fear, hesitation, shyness, and afraid. My dear friends, most of the people are asking during speaking, during conversation, we forget. Yes, friends, it's happen us, and because it is not our mother tongue, it is a strange language, but it is not difficult to learn. It is easy after keeping after keep dedication, consistency, hard working, and with persistence and perseverance. My dear friends, if you are doing practice every day at least 30 minutes, then no one can stop you to become fluent in English language. You will able to speak, you will explore your knowledge power, you will explore your beauty, explore your thinking power, and you will become fluent. You will contribute to developing our country, because if you able to speak English language, then you will communicate with foreigner, communicate with anybody who is not able, who is not know Hindi language, and you will communicate easily without further delay, with confident. And yes, friends, you don't give up your journey. You will choose your destiny, and no one can give tablet so that you will eat, and after you will quick become fluent. No, it is not shortcut key, it is not shortcut way to become fluent. Only has key to practice. How much you are doing practice every day, right? My dear friends, because I used to a lot of practice, and now also I am doing practice every day. But I used to one of the application where I do a lot of practice on audio call, and I will uh, I was speaking many strange people, and I overcome of the fear, hesitation, and afraid. My dear friends, most of the people are thinking about past, and thinking about future. But my dear friends, for my opinion, I cannot, I should not think too much about past, and also, as well as I should not think about future too much. Only I I should think, I should do hard work in on present time, so that it will be change, it will be helpful for for achieving our destiny. Okay, so my dear friends, you can also achieve your ambition and goal. So if you are doing practice every day with consistently, uh, with dedication, then absolutely you will be become fluent in English language. And so my dear friends, some uh, some beginners, some beginner is uh, asking, after some days, in initial stage, like 15 days, I get motivated, but after 15 days, i I will demotivate, I will get demotivated. So my dear friends, you will you should not do hard work in single day, and only you should do work, and you choose step by step. You choose, you make plan to do practice little bit every day with consistently, so that it will be helpful to improve your big task, improve your long cut goal, and you will make your shortcut goal, and you will do practice for your shortcut goal, so that it will be helpful, it will be need to creativity, need to thinking strangely, and you will able to speak easily. And usually it's happen everybody mistake doing everyone. But my dear friends, how you can overcome on your mistake, how you can recorrect your mistake, and you will analyze your mistake, so that you will recorrect on your mistake, you will do work on your mistake, and you will find the successful, you will find the way how to success and how to do, so that you will be become fluent as soon as possible. My dear friends, nowadays many people want to become fluent in English language, many people want to speak English language, but most of the people cannot become fluent. Most of the people cannot speak English language, because might be it is lack of practice, it is a lack of thinking, and it is a lack of hard work. After doing hard work, you will be sure definitely become fluent. No one can stop you. Only other people giving suggestion, giving way how you can learn, how you can do practice. But my dear friends, they cannot give tablets so that you will eat and become fluent. My dear friends, nowadays most of the people making revolution to speak English language in anyhow condition. But my dear friends, after doing practice, sometime they will feel demotivate, and but my dear friends, you will thinking about your goal, thinking about ambition, and about you will think about your destiny, how you can achieve your destiny, how you can find your destiny. In between your destiny and your learning, how much difficulties you will might be happen, and might be you will overcome on the difficulty. So you will analyze, you will keep on your mind how you can become fluent. And if you have patience to do hard work, definitely you will analyze your mistake, and you will do hard work on your mistake and find your journey beautiful. My dear friends, you should do practice on any topic. So without further delay, you will do practice on any topic, so that how much vocabulary you will find, and you will make familiar of those vocabularies and verbs and phrasal verbs, so that it will be helpful, it will be pillar of making your destiny, achieving your destiny, and you will be successful, become successful fluencer, and you will become speaker. Okay, instead of doing speaking and practice also, you should do listening every day, so that after listening you will your mind, your brain become familiar of many strange vocabulary, and it will be a bundle of, after a couple of months, you have a lot of vocabularies, you have bundle of vocabularies, and while speaking it will be helpful to make sentence easily without doing mistake, and you will become fluent. You will be, while speaking, you can speak with confidently, and you will able to convince everybody what is the matter you have, and you will contribute, you will join any group discussion. After a couple of months you can able to speak among of many people, among of those people who have fluent, who have a fluent speaker, and